I have been hearing 4S7NDR on the FM repeater of amateur radio on International Space Station a few times over the past few days. Once it was while I was using 40 10-meter antenna on experimental basis for space station contact, and it was a faint and partial copy. Yesterday morning I could hear him loud several times as it was a high elevation pass here, but he could not hear me. Finally, today morning it was only a pass of about 17-degree maximum elevation here, yet I could hear him and he could hear me, and it was our first two-way contact. That makes Sri Lanka the second country I am able to contact through Hurray. First was a contact with HS8MOM from Thailand on Hurray. Though I hear several Indonesian stations on IO86, I have not been able to have two-way contacts yet, in spite of some of them hearing me and calling back. This is the audio recording of yesterday's pass of International Space Station when I could hear 4S7NDR several times.
Charlie Golf Lima, way to Juliet Oscar, you're also 5 and 9.
Good morning, John, you're also 5 and 9, thank you, 73.
Secure on ISS, VO2 Alpha Alpha Papa.
U3 Charlie Golf Lima.
U3 Charlie Golf Lima, you're 5-9, good morning, 73.
73, bye-bye, good luck, you are also 5 and 9, thank you.
Thank you, good day.
Sierra 7 November Delta Romeo.
Sierra 7 November Delta Romeo.
To Alpha Alpha Papa, this is Sierra 7 November Delta Romeo. You are 5-9 as well to Colombo, Sri Lanka, thank you.
Sierra 7 November Delta Romeo, Victor Uniform to Juliet Oscar, you're 5 and 9.
Come again, please.
Victor Uniform to Juliet Oscar.
2-3 Charlie Golf Lima. 7 November Delta Romeo.
7 November Delta Romeo, you to J, 5 and 9.
Come again with your call sign, please, I couldn't copy you.
Victor Uniform to Juliet Oscar.
3 Charlie Golf Lima.
Secure on ISS.
3 Charlie Golf.
7 November Delta Romeo, you to Juliet Oscar, 5 and 9.
Victor Uniform 2 Alpha Alpha Papa.
November Delta Romeo.
4S7NDR, V2J.
Alpha Alpha Papa.
Here is the audio recording of today's pass of Hurray when I could establish the first two-way contact with 4S7NDR.
November X-ray North 59, V to November Sierra Lima, over.
73, bye-bye.
Sierra 7 November.
November X-ray call, VU2 Zero 519, 73.
VU2 November Sierra Lima 59 over. QISS 407 November Delta Romeo. November Sierra Lima 07 November Delta Romeo. Juliet Oscar, VU2 November Sierra Lima 59.
VU2 NSL, VU2 Zero 519, thank you.
73 John.
Present the VU2 November X-ray call.
November X-ray box 659 over. 407 November Delta Romeo.
407 November Delta Romeo Victor Uniform 2 Juliet Oscar, you're 519.
Good morning John, you are 59 as well to Sri Lanka, over.
Thank you very much, Minor, thank you.
You are set, November Sierra Lima.
7407 Charlie and Oscar, VU2 November X-ray call to VU2 November X-ray call 519.
Though Sri Lanka is not far from my region, there are only very few LEO satellite operators there, and I have not heard anyone other than 4S7NDR during the past 1 year of LEO satellite operations. Some of my friends have been able to contact 3B8FA from Mauritius on other satellites. We are interested in working LEO satellite operators from other island nations of the Indian Ocean, which are the nearest DX stations for us. But the number of LEO satellite operators in those regions is very few. Some of my friends have reached out to the amateur radio societies in those nations, and we do hope that amateur radio LEO satellite activity from those regions will improve soon. On a personal level, I have also talked to 8Q7PR from Maldives over ham radio, and he might also take up LEO satellite operations soon.